Clearborough, North Dallas, 2024 Escalade, short wheelbase, minty green, whatever you want to call it. Great color. That color on that is the same color on this Hummer in matte. So if you took that and put stealth film over that, it looks exactly the same. I know because I did it just to test it out. Anyway, full front on this, full Xpel XR Plus window film, the highest heat rejection, available at 98% IR. This window film, when I put it on, it goes on perfect. I don't have a bunch of dust in it and hair and stuff. Everything goes in beautifully. Everything goes in fantastic, nice and clean. Here's a wrap I did 4 years ago, still looks perfect. Came back because somebody rented his bumper, so we got to replace the bumper, but everything looks fantastic 4 years later. That's good work right there. Not gloating, it's facts. So let's start with this guy here and look it over. We ceramic coated the full vehicle after PPF and the full tint. So let's take a look. Example, hood. This piece here comes off beautifully, no problem. So we can wrap all the way in here. Wrap all these corners and cap them off. Cap all these off. These are fully wrapped in PPF. If you have a PPF job and you have lines here or cuts here to handle a corner, it's not, there's no experience there. This is what experience will get you. All this filled in. Look at this, all capped off. This comes off real simple. We come around this side. There's your A-pillar, your windshield. No lines, everything comes around. Mirrors done in one full piece. No lines. Fenders, all wrapped in. All the way to the bottom wrapped in. All this wrapped in. Everything's nice and perfect. Wrapped in everywhere, 100%. Trim these out because we were throwing a code. Usually I like to leave them covered if they're flat enough, but they were causing a parking sensor code, so we had to trim these out. They need to get rid of these. It's such old technology, it's ridiculous. Coming around here, headlights, driving lights, everything's fully wrapped in. Again, all the corners. Hood's perfectly flawless. It gets a decon and a polish before I put anything on it, whether it's ceramic or PPF. Everything gets a complete decontamination and polish. This surface gets pretty dirty on transit, whether it hits the railhead. Here in Texas, they're built here in Dallas, so they don't hit the railhead. They just get on a truck and come, but there's still a lot of contamination from the factory that needs to come off to get this look after I'm done. There's a 5-year ceramic on that. Everything looks beautiful. Wheels come off, we get those done. The back end, nicely done as well. This was ordered with all the black applique. Really nice vehicle. But there it is, clearbroadnorthdallas.com. I'm Brent. Any questions, let us know. These products come with 10-year guarantee on the PPF, 5 years in writing for the ceramic coating, lifetime on the window film in writing. The PPF comes with cards where you validate it with Xpel Online along with the tint. And the ceramic from Fine Labs shows up on your Carfax and is emailed to you. So everything's validated, everything's confirmed, everything's real, and our installation guarantee is in writing as well, as long as you're the owner of the vehicle. So there you are, clearbroadnorthdallas.com. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.